Meet Jason. He wants to lay a solid foundation for the garage that he's building. But using the traditional method for laying a foundation is too expensive and time-consuming. He's also just got his garden in great shape and doesn't want large excavation works ruining it. Hiring a professional is out of the question, and there's no way he could afford it. Just when Jason is about to lose hope, he comes across Helix screw piles, which make laying strong foundations fast, easy, and economical. Helix screw piles offer superior load and tension capacity, multiple brackets, and an incredibly durable second-generation screw head. The design of this guarantees smooth and precise installation with less compression required. These CE-marked products are made in Finland according to the highest quality standards. Forget about excavation, concrete, heavy equipment, earth moving, frost insulation, and dewatering. Install Helix screw piles in the ground by hand or rotator and quickly make a foundation for terraces, garden houses, garages, fences, solar panels, docks, and many other applications in a simple and environmentally friendly way. What's more, he can use them in any weather and at sites with limited headroom or width. They even work in places where equipment usually used for laying foundations, like big excavators and earth-moving trucks, simply cannot go. Get long-lasting, high-quality Helix screw piles at your newest screw pile retailer or contact us at paalupiste.com today.